If allowed by your MLS, you can now add virtual open houses or tours of homes to your listings in FlexMLS. What is a virtual open house? It is a live open house, but instead of being physically present, you host an event online, allowing prospective buyers to view the property remotely. How do I set up a virtual open house in FlexMLS? First, you will need to find an online communication tool to use. You will use this to create the event. Many platforms are available, such as Facebook Live, Zoom, and Google Meet. You can visit the National Association of Realtors website for more information on hosting virtual open houses. Once you've created the link for a virtual open house, go to the Change Listing screen in FlexMLS. Scroll to the Schedule Marketing Activities section and select Open House. Click Add to begin the process. For type, select Virtual. By default, the link text will alert users that this is a virtual open house. Paste in the link to your live event. Please note, you should not put in a link for a pre-recorded video or virtual tour, as that may violate your MLS's branding policies. Fill in the date, host information, start and end time, and comments. Click Next to save the information. To find open houses, use your menu, go to the Daily Functions section, and select the option for open houses. Here, you can select whether you're looking for an open house or tour of homes, select the date range, and click Next. Virtual open houses will display with a virtual tag inside the open house report. Similarly, on a search results screen, there will be a virtual tag on the List tab. Click the tag to register for the open house. On the Detail tab, the open house link can be found on the top row of options. The name of the link indicates that it is a virtual open house. Click the link to register. You can also see the Virtual Open House tag in FlexMLS Pro for iPhone and Android. When viewing the listing details, you can see the tag for the open house and the link to register to attend the virtual open house. If your MLS allows, contacts and potential prospects can also see virtual open house information and view the listing details to register for the virtual open house.